got a frozen bottle. You going back, Kim? Are you going back? I'm not. I'm going down. You know what though? Once you get up here on the side, it almost pushes you off.